Hello everyone. The chapter which we are discussing is chapter number 10 of your physics books of class 9 and the name of the chapter is calorimetry. The topics which we are going to discuss today are first, change in volume on boiling. Second, effect of pressure on the boiling point of a liquid. And third, the effect of impurities on the boiling point of a liquid. The objective of the topic is, after discussing these topics today, we will come to know about the effect of boiling on volume of a liquid. That means, what will happen to the volume of liquid when it is boiled? Whether the volume will increase or it will decrease. Then, how is boiling point of a liquid affected by change in pressure, altitude and by adding impurities to the liquid. Let us start with the first topic. This one is very simple, my dear children. Change in volume on boiling. All liquids expand on boiling. When we heat 1 centimeter cube of water at 100 degrees Celsius, when the water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it is converted into steam. And 1 centimeter cube of water will be converted into 1760 centimeter cube of steam at 100 degrees Celsius. That means water expands on boiling. Similarly, all liquids expand on boiling. Now the next is effect of pressure on boiling point. Before discussing this, let us discuss the boiling process of a liquid. Let us take example of water. Water consists of water molecules which have some intermolecular spaces between them. When we heat water, we provide kinetic energy to these molecules. So these molecules will get separated from each other at boiling point and water will be converted into steam. Now, when water is at the surface of earth, these intermolecular spaces are less. That means molecules are very close to each other. We need to give a large amount of energy to these molecules so that water can reach its boiling point. These molecules can get away from each other and converted into steam. Fine. At hill stations, let us take example of hill stations. At hill stations, these molecules, due to less pressure, at hill station there is less atmospheric pressure, so these water molecules are already a bit more separated. The intermolecular spaces are already more. So less energy is required by these molecules to get separated and converted into steam. Fine. So less energy will be given to the water at hill stations to convert water into steam, which directly means that the boiling point of water at surface of earth is more and the boiling point of water at hill stations is less. Water will boil earlier than water boils at surface of earth. Fine. The reason is, at hill stations, due to less pressure, the intermolecular spaces are already more. So there will be less energy required to separate them. So we can say that the boiling point of a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure. More is the pressure, more is the boiling point. Less is the pressure, less is the boiling point. We all know, my dear children, that we prefer pressure cooker for cooking at hill stations. Okay, let us discuss this with the help of these pictures. Let us suppose we are using an open utensil for cooking of food. In an open utensil, the steam escapes out. The pressure at hilly areas is already less, due to which the boiling point of water decreases. Water will start boiling earlier than its actual boiling point, 100 degrees Celsius. So, after it reaches its boiling point, the whole heat will be given to water to convert water into steam, and no heat will be taken by the food, which will make the cooking difficult and the cooking will take longer time also. Fine. When we use a pressure cooker for cooking, in pressure cooker the steam is not allowed to escape out, due to which the pressure will build up in the pressure cooker, which will increase the pressure. Obviously it will increase the pressure in the pressure cooker, which will increase the boiling point of water. And in a pressure cooker, my dear children, the boiling point of water increases from 100 to 120 till 125 degrees Celsius. Fine. Now the food will get heat till the water reaches 120 or 125 degrees Celsius. That means the food will get sufficient heat before the water starts boiling and converting into steam for proper cooking of food. Fine. Which will make the cooking faster and easier. Now, let us read the topic for better understanding. Effect of pressure on the boiling point. The boiling point of a liquid increases with increase in pressure and decreases with decrease in pressure. The boiling point of pure water at 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 760 mm of mercury, is 100 degree Celsius. Now, in a pressure cooker, steam is not allowed to escape out. The vapor pressure on water inside the pressure cooker becomes nearly 1.75 times the atmospheric pressure. So water boils in it at about 120 to 125 degrees Celsius due to increase in pressure. Thus, cooking of vegetables etc. becomes much easier and faster in it, since they get sufficient heat energy before the water boils. As we know, if water will start boiling, whole heat will be used up to convert water into steam and no heat will be given to the food. Further, the cooked material inside it, being at a higher temperature, remains warm over a long period. Why is cooking difficult in hilly areas? We are discussing the same point. So let us read. At high altitudes, such as hills and mountains, the atmospheric pressure is low, less than 1 atmospheric pressure. Therefore, at these places, water boils at a temperature lower than 100 degrees Celsius, as we have discussed, and so it does not provide required heat energy to its contents for cooking. Thus, cooking there becomes very difficult and it takes much longer time. So, to avoid this, we use pressure cookers. And I have already told you the reason. In pressure cooker, the temperature increases, the boiling point increases from 120 to 125 degrees Celsius. Fine. Due to which the food will get sufficient heat for proper cooking. Next is effect of impurities on boiling point. Effect of impurities. We must have seen our mothers putting salt in food, in vegetables, for faster cooking. This is because salt acts as an impurity and impurities increases the boiling point of liquid. Let us read the topic. Effect of impurities on the boiling point. The boiling point of a liquid increases by addition of impurities to it. If common salt is added to water, it boils at a temperature higher than 100 degrees Celsius. Hence, we add salt while cooking pulses. The water then provides sufficient heat energy to its contents before boiling, and so the cooking becomes easier and faster. So, this is why salt is added to the vegetable for their faster cooking. So, this was about the topic, my dear children. These are the related question answers. Question number 10 till 15 of back exercises of chapter number 10, which are to be planned by you people. Please plan the related back exercise question answers. Please read and revise the topic once. Thank you so much.